Hey, this is Zen, the Crypto Queen, and I just wanted to check in with you about XRP today in 2023. As I have said on many other videos, my guess is that the SEC will wrap this lawsuit by between second and third quarter of 2023. Now, there could be some complications, so I'm going to go over 2023, 2024, and 2025 in different videos. But I wanted to get to a few things about 2023 because I'm still rolling with that prediction. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm simply here sharing what I do and to educate newbies or whoever you may be on altcoins, and in particular XRP is a favorite of mine. So I picked out a few things here and I'm going to show you, okay? Now, first of all, this person has 70 cents to $4.58. Listen, if you have a big enough bag and you want to be a retail investor that drops 10% or 50% and turns it into fiat or other coins and runs away, you know what? That would be a good time to do it, wouldn't it? I'm all for taking profits along the way, okay? And I agree with this person. Honestly, the chart is screaming for a breakout. That could be either direction, up or down. However, yeah, my conviction is also that the breakout will be to the upside. XRP is definitely ready for a pump. And if you want to go in the comments and say, well, base that off of charts, well, here you are. I had somebody do that as a commentary on my last price prediction because, you know, they range from 40 cents to $10,000, right, on some buyback routine, right? Well, you as the retailer are going to be doing your own buyback. They don't need to come and send you an email and say, hey, we're going to buy back your XRP for $10,000. That's probably not going to happen that way. I think when XRP is ready for a pump, and it appears to be based on this chart right here, the structure of it looks good for a pump to the upside to me. If you are a chart watcher, you would know that. But could it go further down? Could. Just doesn't look it to me. Anyway, hey, hit the subscribe button and get that bell notification happening. And if you would, give this video a thumbs up. If you like my content, it definitely helps with my algorithm, and I really appreciate you also. Thank you. Okay, back to this. So, yeah, I think it's ready for a pump to the upside, and that could take us right in that area. For $4.50, $5. And I think that enough retail investors will probably, take some cash out. Why not? We've all been waiting 3-4 years, right? Which will probably drop the price again, and others can buy back in, including ourselves if it drops too low, right? Why not? But yeah, I think that 2023, before year end, we're going to be at around the 450 to possibly even higher. I'm going to go as far as saying $5 to $25. So that's my price prediction for 2023. Of course, I am being on the conservative side, and of course I am basing it off this chart. I think that this is correct, and it's going to take a quick ride up, and it's going to come down and go back up, come down, go back up, based on retail investors deciding to cash out. I know some people who have been holding for quite a long time, and they just really would like to do a little bit of a cash out, you know, and that's your prerogative. I have a few goal steps in mind for where I would like to take profits. I don't think 450 is one of them for me, but if it does drive up between 450 and 25, I might possibly take a little bit of fun money and either take it and turn it into cash, or maybe find a place to stake it, or divide it up amongst some other coins that I might want to have, or just leave it alone. I'm not sure yet. I'll keep you posted. So that's where I'm going to wrap it today. Once again, if you would like a one-on-one session to get involved in cryptocurrency, please feel free to hit me up on zendevon@gmail.com. Please put in uppercase crypto in the subject line because I get a lot of email and I don't want to miss yours. You can also connect with me if you would like over in the comment section here or on Facebook, my Zen Devon page, or my Zen the Crypto Queen page. Either one is fine with me. Hit me up in Messenger. That's fine. Okay. Thanks so much for being with me. Love me. Thanks so much for you being with me. Love you all, and I appreciate you being here with me. Ciao for now.